Hello everyone, Avneet this side from Cybercar Balinagar. Today we have installed Onkyo X-QD1800 in Honda ID Tech, which is a premium Android screen along with a proper frame which is in glossy black finish. This stereo comes along with capacitive touch, due to which the touch response of the screen remains flawless. We are also provided with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apart from this, if we talk about the specifications of this screen comes along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, Android version 12, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. This is the digital sound processor setting, which can be also called as DSP setting, which is used to enhance our sound quality. This stereo also supports high resolution audio output. Apart from this, we are also provided with provision for inserting an optical jack in case of installation of high-end audio setup. A lot of settings are available in this, and we can choose each and every point of a sound according to our taste and requirement. If you wish to install this stereo in your car, you can directly contact me. My mobile number is mentioned below. Moving on to the other features, along with the stereo, we have also installed 360-degree camera kit, which is compatible in the stereo. On the left side of the screen, we are provided with a satellite view, in which all the objects that are near the car are clearly visible, and on the right side we can choose for a desired view. Like as you can check out, the side on which I will click, automatically that side view will appear, along with trajectory lines which would guide us when we have to stop the car. We are also provided with DVR functionality, using which we can record each and every side of a car. The only thing that we are required to do is to connect an external storage along with it. With this screen, on engaging the reverse gear, automatically the reverse camera would be turned on along with satellite view on left side. For accessing the wireless Apple CarPlay which is available in this screen, the only thing that we are required to do is to connect a phone Bluetooth along with the stereo and to open the Z-Link 5 application, after which the Apple CarPlay would appear. By using this feature, my phone data will be directly synced. Now I would like to show you the picture clarity of the screen. This is a 4K resolution video which has been played at 60 frames per second. This stereo is best suitable option for Honda ID Tech and IV Tech. If you wish to replace your existing digipad which has many problems, you can contact us. My mobile number is mentioned below.